Mnangagwa government unveil plans to transform school names nationwide. Kusangana kwataita zvakare pana pachannel yenyu Magaba News, channel inokuigirai news dzinenge dzichiitika munharaunda nemunyika yeZimbabwe, tichikurudzirana kuti kana pane vachangosvika sapotai channel yenyu yeMagaba News. Today tauya takabata nhau dziri kuziviswa kunzi Mnangagwa government of Zimbabwe proposed sweeping a school renaming a plan to replace colonial era names. Muri Zimbabwe nhau yatiri kutaura zuva ranhasi inhau iri kuziviswa pachiitiko charongwa nehurumende yavaMnangagwa chinova chiri chirongwa chekuti zvikoro zviri kutsanangurwa zvemuHarare zvinokwana kuita 20 mahigh schools and also 40 maprimary schools ari kunzi ari kuenda under going manemu akuchinjwa sezvo mamwe mazita akapiwa zvikoro izvi ndenguva yeRhodesia, nguva yanga ichiri nevarungu munyika yeZimbabwe. So vauya nenhau iyi vachizivisa kuchinjwa kwezvikoro zvakasiyana siyana. Apo pari kuziviswa kunzi chikoro chePrince Edward chinenge chakunzi Murenga Boys, and also zvakasiyana siyana Queen Elizabeth inenge yakunzi Sally Mugabe High School. So pari kuchinjwa zvikoro zvakasiyana siyana inova reform ramuri kuona ratakuisira pascreen raiswa according to zvikoro zvakasiyana siyana zvichinzi nehurumende yavaMnangagwa ngazvichinjwe mazita. According to news, the government led by Emmerson Mnangagwa has put forward a far-reaching proposal to rename dozens of schools across the capital Harare in a move amid it replacing colonial era names with those that reflect Zimbabwe's liberation history and indigenous identity. So now iri papa inhau yekuti apari kutsanangura kunzi pachange pachireplacwa nemazita evanhu vakarwa hondo munyika yeZimbabwe. According to the proposal, at the least 20 high schools and more than 40 primary schools are set to undergo name changes. The plan is part of a broader effort to align public institutions with the national values and honor figures associated with the country's struggle for independence. Among the most notable changes, Prince Edward High School would be renamed Murenga Boys, a reference to Murenga, a symbolic figure linked to the Zimbabwe liberation heritage. Queen Elizabeth School is proposed to become Sally Mugabe in honor of Sally Mugabe, the country's former first lady who played a significant role during the liberation era. Similarly, Lloyd Morvin High School should be renamed Waterfalls High School, aligning the institution more closely with its local community identity rather than its colonial origins. The proposed has seen it the circulated list of proposed government school names, including a wide range of schools across different suburbs. Several institutions currently bearing colonial or foreign names are set to adopt names of the Liberation War heroes, national figures, and local culture icons. For example, Alan Wilson High School is proposed to become Mutapa, while Churchill High School could be renamed after J. Atongogara, a respected Liberation War commander. Ziwarasekwa High School, number 2, is set to take on the name of Ziapapa Moyo, another figure associated with the Zimbabwean struggle for independence. Other schools such as Ellis Robbins High School may be renamed El Takawira, while George Stake High School could be Charles Muzingile. These changes highlights a clear pattern, replacing colonial era identities with name rooted in the Zimbabweans' own history and leadership. The proposal also extends to Glenora, Glenora View, to the Glenview schools where numbered institutions would be renamed after various individuals who contribute to national development or liberation effort in Kuwadzana. Mount schools are set to receive new names honoring figures such as Masotwa, Ndovu, and others. Primary schools are not left out of the plans. Institutions like primary schools are proposed to become Eastleigh, while Blackstone, a primary school, may be renamed Shali, Crips. Several Abudiriro and Rasekwa primary school should also receive a new identity reflecting local or national significance. Supporters of the initiatives urge that this is a long due step in decolonizing Zimbabwe's education system. They say many schools' names still reflects the country's colonial past under British rule, which is ended in 1980 following a protracted liberation struggle. By renaming this institution, the government aims to instill a sense of pride and historical awareness among students. However, the proposed may also spark debate among the residents and who have a long-standing attachment to the existing school names. For many, these institutions carries decades of history, tradition, and personal memories that go beyond their colonial origins. Critics may question whether the renaming a school should be a priority compared to other challenges facing the education sector, such as infrastructure funding and teaching welfare. Others may raise concern about the cost and logistical implications of implementing such widespread challenges. Despite potential controversy, the country's intention appears clear to reshape public space and the institution in a way that reflects Zimbabwe's post-independence identity. The renaming of schools is part of a broader narrative about reclaiming history and redefining national symbols. As the proposed gain attention, it remains to be seen how it will be received by the public and whether consultation will take place before the changes are finalized. What is certain is that the conversation around identity, history, and national pride is in Zimbabwe. Education system is once again in the spotlight. Mune Zimbabwe ndo zviri kubuda ndona dziri kutaurika ende ndicho chitiko chaunzwa nehurumende yawaMnangagwa kuti mazita ese atinawo echirungu muzvikoro umu taakuchinja, taakuapa mazita echishona. So vese vaienda kuzvikoro izvi vachange vakutochinjirwa mabheji echikoro nezvinhu zvakasiyana siyana zvichange zvakuchinjwa kuti papiwe zita rechishona. Mune munozvionesea mune muneitonga sei. Ndiyo nhau yataya takabata zuva ranhasi pano pachannel yenyu chikuzivisai kuti Mnangagwa's government moves to rename Harare schools replacing colonial names. Ndizo news dzataya takabata. Munozviona sei? Ndidzo news dzataya nadzo pano pa YouTube channel yenyu.